Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Comida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, March 4, 2026. Bong Suntay, humingi ng paumanhin sa nag-init na pahayag tungkol kay Ann Curtis. Quezon City 4th District Representative Bong Suntay apologized Wednesday to those offended by his controversial remarks about actress-host Ann Curtis but stood by his analogy. I stand by that analogy that I made, but if some people were offended, lalo na Women's Month, I'm sorry for those who were offended, but if you read the context talaga, there was nothing malicious in it, Suntay said in a DZMM interview. He added, depende kung bibigyan ng malas nung nagbasa. Pasensya na po, to make it appear offensive was not the intention. The controversy began during the March 3 House Justice Committee hearing when Suntay said, alam mo, minsan, nasa Shangri-La ako, nakita ko si Ann Curtis, ang ganda-ganda pala niya. You know, may desire sa loob ko na nag-init talaga. Na-imagine ko na lang kung ano ang pwedeng mangyari. Pero syempre, hanggang imagination na lang yun. Hindi naman siguro ako pwedeng kasuhan dahil kung ano-ano yung na-imagine ko. He compared his imagined desire toward Curtis to Vice President Sara Duterte's prior statement about wanting to cut off President Ferdinand, Bongbong, Marcos Jr. head. Suntay said, I stand by it. Ang ganda-ganda pala niya. Pero hanggang doon na lang. Ang punto ko lang na I wanted to drive at, something that you imagine, something that you desire, ano yan, it is not an impeachable offense if there were no overt acts, which was done. San Juan Representative Isabel Maria Zamora moved to have Suntay's remarks stricken from the official record. Suntay defended his comment, saying, alam mo, ang senaryo na yun ay fictitious. Hindi ko siya nakita personally, napanood ko lang sa TV. Suntay explained that the analogy aimed to clarify that statements taken out of context should not automatically be considered impeachable. Ang punto ko, a lot of people they take a statement out of context kasi that analogy was made dun sa one of the articles in the complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte. Ang imagination ba, is it an impeachable offense or a criminal offense? Kaya ako gumawa ng analogy, he said. He has also been criticized for defending Duterte on separate allegations regarding cash envelopes distributed to DepEd officials.
Are you going to apologize or not?
No. Alvin, unang-una, alam mo, it was a fictitious scenario, an analogy that I made to drive a point. Sometimes, alam mo, you need to take a hit if you want to drive a point across. And I feel that was achieved. Kasi, ano yung punto ko doon? Ang punto ko, a lot of people, maraming tao, they take a statement out of context. Kasi that analogy was made doon sa one of the articles of complaints alleged against the Vice President Sara Duterte regarding alam mo yung merong video na ipinakita na may statement siya na nagkikwento siya na merong isang situation raw, nakita niya yung bata, galit na galit raw siya doon sa nangyari doon sa bata. Now, it was being attributed to the President.
Panoorin ang buong video sa ABS-CBN News YouTube channel at mag-subscribe. E-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.